The Marsden M-900 comes as two heavy ramp units with wheels for portability. The carry case includes the display unit, cables, instructions, and a bed and mattress weight guide. Position the ramps in front of the head and foot wheels of the bed. Flip the ramps down and connect them using the yellow-ended cable. Connect the display using the blue-ended cable, then turn the display on. The carry case contains the scales display, instructions, and data for the weights of the beds and mattresses. To tear, hold the tear button for 3 seconds. Enter the bed plus mattress weight. Press tear again to save. Release the brakes and roll the bed onto the ramps. Once in place, apply the brakes. The display first shows the total weight of the patient, bed and mattress. With tear applied, it then shows the patient-only weight. Now we'll show how to weigh a patient when using a trolley instead of a bed. First, place the empty trolley on the scales. Note its weight. This is required for tearing. Tear the device with the weight of the trolley. Roll the trolley with the patient onto the ramps and reapply the brakes. The display now shows the patient's weight, with the trolley weight already deducted. The training mannequin is labelled 50 kilograms but is not exact. This is simply for demonstration. Accuracy depends on the bed matching the weight stated in its manual. We have identified up to a 6 kilogram variation between beds of the same model. For the most accurate result, the patient may need to be moved onto a bed or trolley that has just been individually weighed.